Welcome to the Mesa Revenue Partners podcast. We provide valuable information on the topic of business debt collection. Mesa Revenue Partners is an Arizona commercial collections agency and affiliate of Altus Receivables Management, serving companies throughout the United States and abroad. We assist in corporate debt recovery, and we want to help your company streamline its cash flow and restore lost revenue.
Debt and lost revenue can significantly harm logistics companies, which are integral in the movement and management of goods and services. In this episode, we'll review the dangers of mounting debt and how the services of a reputable commercial collections agency can help logistics companies navigate these challenging financial circumstances. When you are dealing with difficult companies who are refusing to pay what they owe for your services rendered, Mesa Revenue Partners can help. Since 1976, we have assisted businesses of all sizes and industries with effective, quick debt recovery throughout the United States and overseas. When you call us, you will receive a free initial consultation as we discuss your situation and determine how best to move forward. As qualified agents, Mesa Revenue Partners is equipped to collect what is owed through conventional or aggressive methods, always operating with integrity, and your financial stability is top priority. First, let's review the ways in which debt and lost revenue can adversely impact logistics companies. Reduced cash flow. Logistics companies often rely on substantial capital for infrastructure, equipment, and technology. High debt levels mean significant interest payments, reducing the firm's cash flow and financial flexibility. Operating costs. High debt can limit a logistics company's ability to cover ongoing operating costs, such as fuel, maintenance, personnel, and insurance. Growth limitations. Debt and lost revenue can limit the ability of logistics companies to invest in expansion, acquire modern equipment, implement technology improvements, or open new branches. This constrains their ability to capitalize on market opportunities and stay competitive. Reduced capacity. Debt can lead to equipment or vehicle shortages, reducing a logistics company's capacity to meet customer demands. Supply chain deficiencies. Financial constraints might hinder a logistics company's ability to maintain a smooth and efficient supply chain, potentially resulting in delays and additional operational costs. Service quality. Insufficient resources can affect service quality and delivery reliability, leading to customer dissatisfaction and potential contract losses. Marketing and promotion. Reduced revenue can hinder marketing and promotional efforts, making it challenging to compete with rivals in attracting and retaining clients. High pricing. Financial difficulties might necessitate price increases, making the logistics services less competitive in the market. Client loss. Loss of revenue can result from clients who reduce or terminate contracts due to service quality issues or the logistics company's inability to meet commitments. Reputation damage. Customer dissatisfaction can harm a logistics company's reputation, making it more challenging to regain trust and secure new contracts. Higher borrowing costs. High debt or financial difficulties can lead to lower credit ratings, resulting in increased borrowing costs and making it harder to access credit when needed. Stricter terms. Suppliers may impose stricter payment terms or demand upfront payments when a logistics company's financial health is compromised. Inventory and equipment shortages. Financial challenges may disrupt relationships with suppliers, leading to shortages of critical inventory or equipment. Job insecurities. Ongoing financial difficulties can lead to concerns about job security among employees, potentially impacting employee morale and productivity. Compensation issues. Logistics companies may cut employee benefits or bonuses to manage costs, which can further erode employee satisfaction. Compliance cutbacks. Financial constraints might lead logistics companies to cut back on safety and compliance measures, which can result in safety violations, fines, and reputation damage. And lack of confidence. Debt and lost revenue can undermine investors' confidence, potentially affecting the ability to secure investment capital or achieve favorable terms from investors. To mitigate the negative impacts of debt and lost revenue, logistics companies must rely on the experienced services of a commercial collections agency so they can keep focusing on running operations as smoothly as possible. A commercial collections agency can play a crucial role in helping logistics companies recover outstanding debts effectively. Here's how Mesa Revenue Partners can assist logistics companies in debt recovery. Expertise in debt recovery. Our collections agency specializes in debt recovery and has a deep understanding of the legal and regulatory aspects involved. We are well versed in debt collection laws and practices, ensuring that all collection efforts are compliant with applicable regulations. Professional communication. Mesa Revenue Partners employs skilled and professional communicators to contact debtors. We use a structured, persistent, and respectful approach to engage debtors while conveying the urgency of debt repayment. Customized recovery strategies. Our collections agency develops tailored debt recovery strategies that take into account the specific nature of the logistics industry, the size of the debt, the financial situation of the debtor, and any pre-existing relationships between the logistics company and the debtor. Skip tracing and investigation. If a debtor is difficult to locate, Mesa Revenue Partners uses skip tracing techniques to find updated contact information. This is particularly useful in the logistics industry, where debtors may change locations or contact details. Negotiation and settlement. Our collections agents are experienced negotiators and can work with debtors to establish payment plans or settlements that are acceptable to both parties. This approach can often expedite debt recovery without resorting to legal actions. Legal expertise. In situations where negotiation fails or the debtor is uncooperative, Mesa Revenue Partners can offer advice and facilitate the process of legal action against debtors. This may involve filing lawsuits, obtaining judgments, and executing on those judgments to recover the debt. Documentation and compliance. Our collections agency maintains thorough records of all communication and actions taken in the debt recovery process. This documentation is vital for legal proceedings, if necessary, and also for accurate record keeping. Preservation of business relationships. Mesa Revenue Partners understands the importance of preserving the logistics company's relationships with its clients and debtors. We aim to recover debts while minimizing the impact on these business relationships and maintaining a professional image. Time and resource savings. Outsourcing debt recovery to our collections agency allows logistics companies to focus on their core operations instead of diverting resources and time away from their primary business activities. Increased success rate. Mesa Revenue Partners has the expertise, experience, and tools to maximize the chances of successful debt recovery. Our dedicated efforts often lead to more efficient and successful outcomes compared to in-house debt collection efforts. And reputation management. Using our collections agency can help logistics companies maintain a professional image and reputation, which is crucial in an industry where client perception and trust are vital. Remember, when selecting a collections agency, logistics companies should prioritize reputable firms with a proven track record of ethical and effective debt recovery. Mesa Revenue Partners is everything you wish for in a commercial collections agency. Mesa Revenue Partners is a top-rated logistics commercial collections agency with over 40 years of experience in the debt recovery industry. We specialize in effective, quick debt collection for businesses of all sizes and are newly in alliance with Altus GTS. With 5-star ratings across the web and an A+ from the Better Business Bureau, Mesa Revenue Partners is an excellent resource. With over 60 years of combined experience in logistics commercial collections both locally and internationally, Mesa Revenue Partners can be trusted to deal with difficult companies who are refusing to pay what they owe you for your services. Our agents are dedicated to efficient debt recovery and bring a unique approach to each situation. Through an innovative, streamlined logistics invoice recovery method, Mesa Revenue Partners specializes in third and first-party collections, business-to-business international collections, invoicing, free accounts, aging analysis, asset investigation, litigation, and more. Contact us today to schedule your free initial consultation and get started. Call us at 480-389-2288 or visit us online at mrpcollects.com.
Thank you for listening to the Mesa Revenue Partners podcast. Our licensed business-to-business collections agents have your best interest in mind from start to finish and work diligently to devote full attention and priority to your case. We tailor our approach to your needs and provide minute-by-minute updates on the status of your collections to your online account. Schedule a consultation with our corporate debt recovery agency today to learn more about the variety of services we offer and how they can benefit you.